Hi, I'm Ed, back by popular demand, the fabricator at Project Evan, and I'm going to be just talking you through what I've been working on recently, this Aston Martin DB5. And when it came in for just a bit of paint work, and we discovered a lot of body filler around this front corner, and it had been previously in a crash, quite severe, and they'd tried to repair it very badly, so they'd skimmed it with filler, and I've essentially taken this whole front corner off, remade a load of sections, and now we're back to original. So what I did first was I assessed where the damage was originally, and I made panels. If I couldn't repair it, I would make a new section. So I'd cut the whole wing off right back to here, and I'd made an inside section here because all this shape was incorrect. I had kept the outside section of the wing, but put it through the English wheel to straighten it out to its original shape. I've had to remake the entire headlight bowl and all this surround here, and the lower section with the indicator. So I've cut it out here, I've made a whole new section around here, and from this point backwards is original wing, and from around this section here, that's a new section that I've made. And if you come down here, from around here, I've made all this lower section here with this teardrop shape to fit inside the bumper. Now all the bodywork's done and everything fits nicely, we're going to send it down to the paint shop for Harry to take care of.